So friends, in the previous video, we started our discussion about the various measuring instruments of length. In this lesson, we're going to discuss Vernier Caliper, another important instrument for measuring length. Let's dive right into it. Vernier Caliper is used for very minute and accurate measurements of an object's length. It is mostly used to measure the internal or external diameter, thickness, and even the depth of narrow tubes. It has an accuracy of 0.01 centimeters or 0.1 millimeters. Now, let's see what the Vernier Caliper consists of. So, as you can see on the figure on this side, a Vernier Caliper has two jaws. One is called a fixed jaw with a main scale, and the other is the movable jaw. The fixed jaw is attached to the main scale, and the main scale has the units centimeters and millimeters written on it. Right? Okay. Then there's the movable jaw, which has a vernier scale that has 10 divisions for it, such that each of the divisions is 0.9 millimeters. In our previous video, we talked about the least count. Do you recall what it was? Exactly. It was the minimum value that you can measure. So how can we find the least count and minimum value of a Vernier Caliper? The least count of the Vernier Caliper is the difference between one small division on the main scale and one vernier scale, which is 0.1 millimeter. So, the least count is equal to the smallest reading on the main scale divided by the number of divisions on the vernier scale. If we plug in the known values, it becomes 1 millimeter divided by 10, which is equal to 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeters. This is the least count of the Vernier Caliper.